Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this video from. Yeah, so welcome to the machine learning project. So in this activity, we are going to train our machine to be able to identify images like animals, like the dog and then the cat. Okay, and then by identifying the dog and then the cat, Toby, which is the default sprite, will now detect the type of animal and then say the name of that animal. So that is what we are going to do. But first of all, we have to train our model. We have to train and then make sure our machine has now gotten the names of the animals and then the images before it can be able to identify them. So without wasting my time, let's move straight up into it. Okay, so first I'll have to add my machine learning to it. So my machine learning extension is here. I have to add it. Okay, so sign in is required. Again. Okay, so here I'm now coming to create my model to add the images to it. So I'll create my model. So you can see here image project, audio project and pose project. So here we are using the image project. So just select the image project and then we select the standard image model. And so here I have to change my class to cat. So cat, and then I'll change this one to dots. So let me do this cats and then dogs. So here I will upload my cat image here. So here I can decide to import from Google Drive or choose from my file. Okay, so here I'll just click on choose from my file. Now I have my dogs image downloaded. I have them downloaded already. So as you can see here, so I'll just go to it and then I'll select all, then I'll open. So you can see the cat file has opened successfully. Then I'll do the same for the dog. So I'll just open the dog, select all and then open it. Okay, so here we have our dog and then cat image uploaded. So we'll move on to train our model, for it to be able to know that okay, these are cats and then these are dogs. So let's wait for it to finish preparing the training. Okay, so here I'll just make sure my model is working perfectly. So first I'll go by choosing image from my file. Now here I'm going to check the output. What if now when you check here, you could see that the images, the dogs here, they are black. The cats are black. And then when you check the dogs to black. There's no other color that are there. So here I'm going to use a white image, a white cat and then a white dog to see if the teachable machine is able to identify that this is a cat and then this is a dog depending on the color. So let me go and then choose a white cat. Okay, so now let's see. So you see the output. So this means that the white cat, it can be able to detect a white cat. It doesn't matter the color of the cat or the dog. So here you can see the cat is 100%. Okay, so now let's test the dog. So select white dog. So you can see the dog too is 100%. That means it is being able to detect the dog and then the cat depending on their colors. Okay, so whilst we are done, we will go by exporting our model. So we export model, and then here, now this is a link file. This one cannot be shared until you have uploaded your model. Okay, until you have uploaded your model. Now uploading your model will now go to, you use the link to upload it on PictoBlox for you to be able to get your teachable machine, which is the cat and then the dog. So when I click on upload my model, it will now generate my link for me. So let's wait for it to generate the link. So now you can see your cloud model is up to date. So this is the link. I can now copy the link and then go to PictoBlox and insert it there. Okay, so now I'm done with my teachable machine, training my cat and then my dog, my images. So let's go to PictoBlox and then load a model. So here I'll add the model here, then I'll do paste, then I'll do load model. So wait for our model to load successfully. Okay, so now our model has been successfully loaded. So now it's time for us to make the code for the cat and then for the dog, and then we should also make sure the sprite, which is Toby, is detecting them. So the first is what the flag clicked. When flag clicked, then we select the forever block. Then we go to the teachable machine and add there is identify class from stage. So we choose here stage. So it's identify class from stage in cat. We do the same for the dog, for the dogs. So here we will go and then select our backdrop. We go and select our backdrop. So here I will upload the images here, the images of the cats and then the dogs. So I'll go to the testing images and then I'll upload these images there, the testing images. Okay, so we wait for our image to import. So this is what we are going to use to detect if our training was successful, was okay and successful. Okay, so we go here and then we continue with our code. So first you add the costume. So next costume, then we add the if. So if the cat is detected from the stage, then Toby should say Toby should say this is a cat. This is a cat. Or let's do it this way. So this is a dog. Then let's do this one dog. And this one cat. So this is a dog. And then you come here. Then we add this to it. Then the same way, this is a cat. Then we will make our wait second. So we will add our wait second here. So it should wait for 1 second. Okay, so here I'm going to change my costume. I'm going to replace it with next background. Now the next background, the next backdrop, sorry, will be changing the pictures, which is the dog and then the cat randomly. So a cat will come and then a dog will also come. So that is the purpose of the next backdrop. Okay, so let's move on by clicking on the green flag to see how our code reacts. So you could see this is a cat, this is a dog, this is a cat, this is a dog, this is a cat. So you could see the teachable machine is working. Now it's able to identify the cats, the images. It's able to identify them. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you also for your time, and I'll meet you in the other videos. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.